Welcome to Remitano YouTube page. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell Skrill to Bitcoin on Remitano. All right. So the first thing you do is to log into your Remitano account as usual. Okay. All right. So once you log into your Remitano account, first you want to make sure that you are in the global section. Okay. So if you are any other market, you just change to the global market. Okay. So check this URL to be sure that you are at the global homepage, and then you scroll down to USD P2P trade. Okay, and then we have to specify the wallets we want to trade with. So in this case, we are trading with Skrill wallets. Confirm. Okay, so I want to buy, say, 10 USDT worth of Skrill. Okay, there's no ad for that amount, so I can increase. All right. So there's someone that wants to sell Skrill, 20 USDT worth of Skrill. Okay. So next thing I do, I click on sell to make this transaction. Okay. But in this case, I actually don't want to sell 20 USDT worth of Skrill. I just want to do $10. So I can just go ahead and create my own ad. So this is how to create your ad. Okay. So next thing, I have to specify the wallet I want to use. So I'll select Skrill and then my Skrill email. Remember, your Skrill account has an email attached to it. So that's the email you will insert here, not your internal email. Okay, and that's it. So, so you select Skrill as the payment method you want to use for this particular trade and go ahead. You can either choose the fixed price or the dynamic price. Now, the fixed price is, as is stated here, the price that you set to sell your crypto and it will not change irrespective of the market condition. While dynamic price adjusts according to market realities. So if you know you're not going to be available to monitor your trades, I would advise that you select a dynamic price. And then of course you want to set the range beyond which the price should not adjust itself. So I can put a margin of 10%, and then let me assume I want to sell 10 USDT worth of Skrill. Okay, and then I have to also specify the range of orders that I'm willing to accept for this particular transaction. So because the amount is low, I don't want to accept the transactions in bits. So I can just specify between 8 to 10. I could just put $10 at once so that I just receive only transactions for $10 so that I just know that I'm just getting one kind of transaction. And then you can set the terms of the trade. Okay, whatever it is you want your buyers to see before they complete this transaction, you can set it up here. Okay, just the same way if you're taking up an ad from the general page, that's the same thing that happens here. So whatever terms of trade you want to put, you can insert it here, and then this is how your advert is going to look on the home page. And you can go ahead to post your ad. See, your ad is active. If you go to that page, you can see that here, right? So, and that's it. So, buying and selling Skrill on Remitano is very easy. So you can get started with this and let me know what you think. Thank you.